Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this YouTube tutorial, we shall learn step by step how to draw a beautiful pillow using simple techniques. Start by drawing a horizontal line for the base of the pillow. Add two curved lines on top to outline the shape of the pillow. Connect the ends of the curved lines with a slightly curved line at the bottom. Draw two short lines perpendicular to the base to create the sides of the pillow. Sketch another curved line above the base to define the thickness of the pillow. Add some small curved lines inside the pillow to create a fluffy texture. Draw a curved line at the top to indicate the seam of the pillow. Extend the seam line slightly beyond the edges for a realistic look. Darken the seam and buttons to make them stand out. Raise any stray lines and refine the shape of the pillow as needed. Add highlights to the lift of excess graphite and create highlights. Step back and access your drawing to see if any adjustments are needed. Practice drawing pillows from various angles to improve your skills. Remember to take breaks and relax your hand to avoid fatigue. Focus on enjoying the process rather than striving for perfection. Pay attention to light and shadow to create more realistic drawings. Thanks for watching this video.